knowing what the price will be. That whatever is the cost plus. You know why I praised your industry yesterday for that? I've written it in the book also over there. A, it's a perfect example of cooperation and collaboration. B, it shows your industry's trust in each other. That you're willing to put your money on, after all, 3-4 people must be handling that project. You all trust each other so much that you're willing to give the money and allow them to start. And C, for the very scale at which you all are thinking. Right? So my sense is, really, as a well-wisher of your industry, I'm saying this. पहले अपने माइंड से ये निकाल दो कि सरकार के पीछे भागना है कोई भी चीज के लिए. You have the capabilities, and see now SEEPs, you're having all sorts of issues today because now 30 years later we are trying to sort of. Suppose SEEPs had been driven by your industry only, it was your own thing, like Bharat Boards in whatever in BKC or Surat, or today you showed me Navi Mumbai. Now if somebody wants to sell, transfer, this, that, as the value grows over a period of time, you will be enjoying that benefit, right? If it was a government-sponsored project, even if I had given 100 crores in that 2,000 crore project, my people would have been sitting there. My people would have been interfering in every decision. Why do you want to do that? Seriously, I'm appealing to the whole industry. आज आपको लगता है कि सरकार से कुछ मिल जाएगा. आज सरकार भी चलो भगवान की दया से प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी हैं तो कोई तकलीफ नहीं देगा आपको, कोई हैरेस नहीं करेगा. Why do you want to have a permanent involvement of government?
So if there is no permanent involvement, at least if the ultra mega project status is given, we get higher FSI, more subsidized electricity, it becomes easier for us to sell the project.
Again,
So
that's
even
a
in
state
Surat,
issue.
the government
It's
has
not
given a lot.
Yeah, it's a state issue, not a central
okay.
issue. You tell me where you want to set it up. I'll talk personally to the state government and get you that status.
That's all we need.
Yeah, I'll talk personally and get you that status. And if it is Karnataka, you want to do something like this, by today evening, I'll ensure that they agree for it. If it is Gujarat, you know that works faster, then we'll ask also.
Mansukh, you want to move to Bangalore, then we'll do Karnataka.
So Maharashtra, you give me a small note. I will talk to the government in Maharashtra. No problem.
We'll give you a note.
Wherever you want to set up. Why don't you look at Haryana? It's so close to Delhi. Because North India, somehow your industry has just not
penetrated.
penetrated.
Started the project.
Where?
In New Bombay, no? We've already taken
तो
21
नवी मुंबई हो गया. मैं कह रहा हूँ पूरा नॉर्थ इंडिया में, नोएडा या गुड़गांव or something. Why don't you consider?
We can.
We'll help you through the state government get all those benefits. Because there at least there's no, it's a one-time matter gets closed.
Okay.
Yeah?
So this is the project. If you see, this is the land we've got right now. There's a water body.
The water body was there or you made it?
It's there.
You're really lucky. Yeah. Fantastic.
So this is the project we're setting up right now.
I hope like the builders you won't say कि sea view चाहिए तो extra price लगेगा.
थोड़ा तो. Anyway, so this is the expected investment, 11,000 crores. So it's quite a huge project. And in Mumbai, after BDB and SEEPs, this will, make sure that Mumbai is like a large hub for gems and jewelry, even long term, after this park is up and running.
Quite a large project.
Yeah, it's a large project. Yeah. That's why if you all help us a little, I think it will help us with selling the project faster.
Sir, it is developed by Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council, sir. You should be proud it is under you, sir.
No, why should I be proud? मैंने तो इसमें कुछ किया नहीं है. You all should be proud that what you all have done. I mean, you should give a big clap, a round of applause to yourself, not to me. Wonderful.
Affordable housing.
Incidentally, that's another thing. Yeah, one should look at that. I discussed this at Surat also yesterday when I was there. So they are trying to use that affordable housing program of Prime Minister Modi. There's a scheme, rental affordable housing. They're going to try and use that for workers, housing and all. I also requested them. There was anybody who does business in Dubai, see like you do in Jebel Ali or anywhere, they insist how many workers you will have. And they insist you have to take that many dormitory rooms, arrange for their canteen, arrange for their stay. Am I right? And it's not from today. The same thing was there 25 years ago also. So I think we as a policy, also as an industry, because if we care for our employees, take care of them, ensure their well-being, their families' well-being, they'll be better employees for you. Their hygiene will be better, their quality of output will be better. So look at that affordable housing scheme
Sure,
of
sure.
Urban Development Ministry.
Sure, we'll do that. So moving forward, FTAs, and I'd like Asher Bhai to speak a few words over here on how do you think FTA with UAE will help increasing business. Asher Bhai, you already met Piyush.
Yeah, it will help a lot, sir. My name Asher. I'm from Malabar Gold. It will help a lot that FTA because we are also setting up a lot of manufacturing units here. We can export a lot to the Dubai market, UAE market, and also if that bullion from UAE that attracts a lesser import duty, that will help a lot. So that trade between the country will help improve a lot. So that is a very positive step that you are discussing, Kulin.
See, I'll tell you, UAE, I'm working very actively. Day after 22nd, I have my first meeting with their minister. I'll pitch for this 5% to be reduced or removed on gold jewelry. But your offer part, I probably cannot do because that will be an arbitrage. People will move gold from other places, Switzerland and all, to Dubai and bring it in at a lower import duty. So that will only be arbitrage. It's not as if Dubai has gold. If gold was made there, then I can agree. But if it's a third country product, I cannot give lower rate of duty.
They are setting up a lot of refineries also there in UAE. So
पर
that
gold में refinery में value add बहुत कम होता है ना. It's basically, it'll be an arbitrage. I mean, I
but
don't know
this
if I'm able
import
to
duty,
convey what
reduction
I'm
of import duty will help a lot, sir. Because
saying. No, that is an issue for the general reduction. But Dubai cannot be given separate from the other countries. I don't know if it's...
overall, at least overall, the import duty comes down, the organized segment will grow a lot. But at least, to start with, we
It
can
will
have
help
it.
the business
12
in
से
India.
साढ़े सात हुआ है ना अभी
7.5 हुआ, but फिर agri cess है तो 10 हो गया.
वापस 10 हो गया
Agri cess हो गया ना. Then so we are effectively at 10.
LBMI.
I'll have to talk to finance. Frankly, I cannot take a view
Sir,
on
it
this.
is a
So-
very important point. It will help a lot.
Som, do you have some perspective on what duties in other markets are? So maybe, you want to give Som a mic? Because World Gold Council is, I guess present all over the world. So
Yeah, but the question here is about overall duty. Certainly, overall duty is very high. Landed cost of duty, sir, including GST, is 14.19, one of the highest in the world. This is about an arbitrage, whether you should give it for a particular country. So I can't really comment on that. But if you ask her absolute duty, certainly it has to come down, which I think the government.
okay. So FTAs with US and Australia are also equally important.
Australia will happen. US will take time because
Yeah.
as of now, they've not even opened after COVID fully.
Okay.
And they're not doing new deals with anybody in the world. Once they start, then we'll be amongst the first.
Just want to plant in your mind that if the duty becomes zero, like it used to be, say, 10 years back, exports from India will grow manifold. We are at $10 billion right now. This can easily double if the duty, because right now it puts us as a competitive disadvantage to competing countries like Turkey, Thailand, who have 0%.
They have a FTA.
They have an FTA with US. So they are at 0 and India is at 6. So it makes it harder, especially in higher value products. Special notified zone, I'm sure you must have heard in Surat yesterday, very important. Then all the miners could, basically sell their roughs in India only instead of our exporters going to Dubai and Antwerp to buy.
To finance about it. Na, kya hua?
We've spoken, we've had several rounds of meetings. We need a little, I guess. If you would take this, I think this will happen. Because India has nothing to lose and everything to gain. We'll make duty which we are not making right now. So,
Fine.
e-commerce policy, sir, if this could be done.
$800 wala na?
Yeah, no, not only $800, it's everything. It's allowing re-import, courier SOP, facilitate movement through post. It's a whole variety of things. Actually, it's a whole policy, and
You all discussed it with Commerce
we
Secretary?
we've given it to Commerce Secretary.
What did he say?
See, we were working very closely with Mahapatra ji before he unfortunately expired. So the entire SOP is in place. Everything is done. We just need a sign off and it's like being put into, I guess, the FTP. Sabia, maybe you want to say a few words here.
Sir, this one, we were going very well because the AIPP we have understood. So Mr. Mahapatra told, let us first start in SEZ. That's a low-hanging fruit. The SEZ has all been done. They have made a special committee. The committee has placed a report that has gone.
अच्छा इसका मेरे को immediately बताइए. Once we get back on Monday. ठीक है.
Equalization levy. So this and SNZ, the points are more or less interconnected because right now we have this 2% equalization levy, so miners aren't able to sell online. So all our exporters have to again go overseas, the transaction has to happen, and all these miners are large MNCs, so they don't want to take, like even if you place an order on email, it's counted as an e-com order. So this is something which we really need. I think it was meant to be on consumer goods, basically Amazon, eBay, but it's come on even raw material. So if this could be done, so we've asked for a clarification from Finance Ministry, but we'll need a little push from you, sir, over here. Yeah, it's all, the points are there. FTP, I won't go into all the details, but sir, we've talked about diamond impress license, repair policy. So all this jewelry that you saw today, if it's exported and if a customer wants to send back any piece for repair, today we don't have a repair policy.
तो एक काम करो भाई ये अमित यादव के साथ डिस्कस कर लो
गया
डिटेल में
हो गया,
DGFT
we've discussed
discussed it
everything, yeah.
Ravi, then please make sure that as we start now preparing, we are looking at April only.
Okay,
Abhi, with all these
okay.
things still just having got sorted out.
So we've discussed all these points and
Fine.
would really need them in the FTP.
If he has any problem where he thinks it cannot be done or finance is not agreeing, then ask him to have one more meeting.
No, so these are all points where finance has not agreed. I'm showing that
not
one.
agreeing.
And not agreed. DGFT has agreed, then it went to DGEP, then it ping pong couple of times.
So, as far as Commerce Department is concerned, they have given the concurrence. It is for the Department of Revenue to take a call now.
Yeah, but they've not agreed. So they've also communicated in writing that they haven't agreed. Now,
they communicated the reason?
yeah, they've communicated, which we've sent our rebuttals also. इसमें कुछ misuse है ही नहीं. क्या misuse है? What possible misuse? I mean, and that's why, sir, we'll have to, either we do a joint meeting, that's what even we were telling BVR, sir, that if we could do a joint
Do a
meeting.
joint meeting between finance, commerce and the association, exporters.
Banking challenges, sir, we've already spoken about, but one of the key things is this current account.
What's the problem?
Now you're only allowed one current account if you're enjoying a facility. And it has to be with the bank with which you're enjoying a current account. Now, for example, a lot of people have said their gold loans in, say, I'm just throwing a name, HDFC Bank. But maybe their credit limits are with State Bank of India. You're allowed only, your current account with State Bank of India. So this is a huge challenge for, I guess, every jewelry manufacturer or diamond manufacturer, anybody in exports today.
You know the context in which this is.
I know, we know the context, but we'll need some kind of, intervention. Yeah, Sabha.